Do you feel the vibe?
Hello guys. Today I am going to show you how to make intro for your YouTube videos. So let's start. First you need to open Google Chrome. After that you need to search panzoid.com, then you will see many templates and you need to choose any one of them. You will see an option named as Open in Clipmaker. You need to click on it. After clicking on it you will be redirected to a new tab. You will see many options and you need to click on the fifth option. After that you need to put your channel name and then the intro for your channel will be ready. Then you need to download the intro by clicking on 8th option. After that you will see an option named as Start Video Render, then you need to click on it, by which the download will start automatically.
Shit.